kezo na chipinga charitendero ritome na mbeka musumo ya Arts and Poetry Jam. Arts and Poetry Jam hadi pano kala Venda FM, your only true African youth station, purposely made for youth empowerment. Murako zaipi rubandero rakaso ubana waliti ndichiko asa tui ubarubandero rakaso rala Venda FM na musindla uraru mbeka musumo ya Arts and Poetry Jam yaba yatakucheza bana mkara hone ngani chikori kabete bembera kabete kuerero mbeka musumo ya Arts and Poetry Jam hii na chipinga charitendero bone babutane masaka na zikona ni vaitecherese saizu yembe kambi chumui asio tairwa ngabone ndikudirana na musi nayo ne so tairwa ngabone ndocheresi zurushi panda sasa ndadiama marauni yangeno zurushi panda, the best is yet to come. Na musi dina Mufamadi Sonia akodori kanzwa ngachirendo chawe bana mkara karita chiresenga manda we must listen attentively one hai ndiko je chipinga ndikori Mufamadi Sonia hii aiwa chipinga ndichawo tangane tswa karikanzwe
ndiribuwa mwashina batichirizi bote ano kwamba ni mkororo wa Famadi ba amashao anenga zina ni Mufamadi Sonia. If I was proudly African, I'd proudly introduce myself as Munjezi. Murunjezi arunjeza ubulungu aba Famadi bulunjezi ongana njere asina njere bwa parara. But no, I am Sonia. I'd wear this natural forested crown and walk with my head held up high. Maybe I would embrace these coils and kinks and not give a damn about how society thinks my hair should be. Maybe if I was proudly African, I'd go down on my knees, talk to Mama Tongoni and seek peace, but I am way too Christian, and my own eldest surname I carry are nothing but evil spirits. Maybe if I was proudly African, I'd wear my Venda outfit with pride, but no, it's 2020, not 1920, wedding vibes, September 24, and only then will you see me in my Venda dress. Press #proudly Venda once a while on Instagram. Maybe if we were proudly African, we would laugh at the white man for not getting our language right, and not our own brother for not being fluent in English. Maybe if I was proudly African, I would have written this piece into Venda and let the whole world know that in Venda mpikwa na ifevela vivanenda sarando pomba fo karini. Tangwenda vanishidoba wathonipo. Tangwenda yodzava kale dzava tshido jenanga iyi dzatokomera. Zvino ujenanga imweni utonamba dzapiruru zasizwila dzichiobva nga imwe ndeve. Vana zvino wadhovo wakumweni rindi minine. Tangwovo uchidoduga lufuno na utusana. Vungari mapfura richite udolana. Pedzi namsi tabiro yonoshanduka uva umpe namsi uswanga ho ndinga nao mumwe na mwe udovona zvavo. I know times are changing and so should we, but are we really to blame? They informed us about the white man's history, and where my people come from is somehow to me a mystery. Ask me about Jan van Riebeeck, I'll tell you where he came from, where he went, his family, his dog's name, eye color, hair color, height. Ask me about my grandmother and watch me scratch my head. They never told me about her, right? If only we were proudly African. If only.
Kezo, if only we're proudly Africans. Comes in Dubai. Zado itamara wanambiri opera. Rafrena sama Afrika jipembe la. Cherno chabu design chabu richo zangiri wananga chivenda na ruisi mani lure piu. Rekodi bagamando riembe kai mushumweni ko diambori. Asio taero ndika diambori. Kabete kuerero, kabete bembera basongo bana buchiba, kabete nabongo batisherese. Batutare yemani bae. Una watu wanjibane bafuna ngamba burindi mani. Mara karitori risongo bachiba, kari babudze uri kala Venda FM. Ngaba buraru ngavu bakere urati mbeka musubo ya Arts and Poetry Jam. Ibe utakuchiza ngoraro atere. Ezwa no mkarai. ndi zwa Venda FM fhedzi zwi wana kha Venda FM fhedzi zwi exclusive nga nḓila ine ya vha uri i a khamadza nga maanḓa zwi exclusive nga nḓila ine ya vha uri i a khamadza ya dzhulukisa nḓila ya vhona mukala kha ri tenda uri mbekanyamushumo ya Arts and Poetry Jam ya mafheloni ngorali vhona mukala hone ai ndi tshi khou livhuwa na vhone mthetshelesi yange ndo report chesa mbekanyamushumo yashu kha Venda FM tshiṱitshi tshavho tsha vhaswa yone khasho tshono tshisima tshisakhiwo tsha khasho tshimandafhadzo vhaswa misi yoṱhe ndi kha ḓivha ḽa Venda FM, the only true African youth station purposely made for the empowerment u bva kha Quality na Mufamadi Sonia ndi khori nara dza vhathu ndi khori kha ṱangane ḽa vhuraru ḽi ḓaho nga hafhu bva kha iri ya vhurathi nda u yanduna.